bondage you will be free. Philippine source of light, using God's word to give you life, fighting the power of darkness and sin. From its bondage you will be free. From its bondage you will be free.
Good morning. In heaven, there's no evening. So, I am greeting you again. Good morning. I am your missionary, Luz D. Nacionalis. Call me Lucy with the Philippine Source of Light, which is the branch of Source of Light Ministries International, Madison, Georgia. Now, I am reporting to you how God, in His marvelous ways, used us to share the Bible lessons to our Filipino people for the past 31 years now. Thank you. We are going to present to you all the activities of the ministries.
These are the goals and scope of the Philippine Source of Light. 1. To save the lost soul. Philippine Source of Light distribute enrollment cards and Bible lessons to individuals in buses, jeepneys, tricycles, stores, and more. Philippine Source of Light students conduct Bible studies in schools, offices, hospitals, factories, military agencies, jails and prisons, and more. Bible lessons are used in drug rehabilitation center, moral values education curriculum in private and public schools, church Sunday schools, outreaches, and radio broadcasts. 2. To disciple and edify believers. Philippine Source of Light missionaries conduct training and seminars in churches, groups, and associations. Training students to conduct Bible studies in the field of their work, in their homes, and church outreaches. 3. To strengthen the local church. Philippine Source of Light helps churches teach the fundamental doctrines of the faith using the Bible lessons. Encouraging pastors to do church planting using the Bible lessons in evangelism. Promoting to churches to let their members study the lessons for personal and family devotions and for personal Christian growth. Worldwide Bible Institute, encouraging churches to start their own local Bible school. Philippine Source of Light statistical reports from 1980 to 2011. Number of lessons sent out in English, 23,422,867. In Tagalog, 61,511. Students within the Philippines, 692,069. Filipinos abroad, 9,757. Saved through Bible lessons, 599,629. Received certificates, 329,019. Associate schools and distributors within the Philippines, 15,300. Outside the Philippines, 1,827. These men and women are the Philippine Source of Light Board of Directors who closely supervise Philippine Source of Light ministries. Reaching people all over the Philippine archipelago would not be possible without the help of our PhilSol national missionaries in assisting to reach out people in their areas. Presenting our co-laborers in the Lord, the 12 PhilSol national missionaries. Dr. Luz D. Nacionales, Philippine Source of Light National Director. Pastor Charlie and Beth Notarte, Region 1, 2, and Cordillera Autonomous Region. Salvacion Espinas, National Capital Region and Region 3. Pastor Geoffrey and Aimee Aliego, Region 4A and National Bureau of Prison. Pastor Enrico and Cheryl Dizon, Region 4A and National Bureau of Prison. Pastor Paul and Ann Dignadice, Region 4B. Pastor Artemio Naces, Region 5. Pastor Pio and Merlin Dinyola, Region 6, 7, and 8. Pastor Jonathan and Marichu Lauta, Region 7. Pastor Faustino and Virgie Espinas, Regions 9, 12, and Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Pastor Ebenezer and Esther Bahan, Regions 9, 12, and Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Genoveva Heredora, Regions 9, 12, and Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Tina Hidalgo, Regions 10, 11, and 13. Jaire Daniel Espinas, Worldwide Bible Institute. Training and Seminars. Children Ministry. Military. Jail and Prison Ministry. You are invited. You're welcome to be part of our Philippine Swords of Light ministry by having a short vacation with our missionaries in the field. If you are interested, please contact Ms. Pat Dai, Asian Foreign Field Director of Swords of Light Ministries International, or email at daipat@yahoo.com or sourcelight@slm.org. Please pray for the Philippine Swords of Light Main Office Lot and Building Fund, and for our 14 national missionaries' personal monthly support.
Sa mundo ng kalimlan, landas ng kamatayan, si Jesus ang kaligtasan, siya'y ating kailangan. Si Kristo'y ihayag, liwanag niya'y dalhin. Si Jesus ang ilaw, tanglaw sa buhay natin. Philippine Source of Light, Kanyang salita, handog ay buhay. Pag-ibig niya ang kalayaan, sa kapos ng kasalanan. Liwanag sa daan, gabay sa aking buhay. Si Jesus ang ilaw, siya ang aking liwanag. Philippine Source of Light, Kanyang salita, handog ay buhay. pag-ibig niyang kalayaan sa kapos ng kasalanan. Philippine source of light, kanyang salita handog ay buhay. Pag-ibig niyang kalayaan sa kapos ng kasalanan, sa kapos ng kasalanan.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.